Hi there. So today I'm going to show you how to get a very minimal, no makeup look and how I do it with my Mascara Beauty. So this is my compact from Mascara Beauty. It's my triple decker. So it's got my foundation, bronzer, illuminator colors there, contour and everything. It's got my eyeshadows and everything here. And then the bottom layer has some cream eyeshadows and some lip and cheek colors. So I'm obviously not going to use all of that for minimal makeup, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to get this done. So to get started, I'm going to fill in my brows. I'm going to use an eyeshadow here that's called Kohl and the Hotline brush. And I'm only going to do this lightly because I want it to still look really natural, but they need to be filled in a little bit, even for a natural look. So here we go. All right, so super quick and easy. You can see I didn't do a whole lot to it. I'm just filling them in a little bit and keeping them really natural. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my face makeup. I'm gonna take notice of every blemish, redness, dark circles, and all those kinds of things. And I'm going to cover those up with different colors as needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my blemishes. And for my blemishes and things, I'm actually gonna you can go in with a darker shade, or you can try to go in with a contour. So this is called an aspen. It's really good for redness. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna use this lightly just to cover up any redness that I have. I like using this on my nose because it will stick to my nose as it's a contour. It's a little bit grippier and more dense of a color. And so it's kind of great on certain trouble spots that you might have. And then your foundation color on top of it will cover it up. So I'm just gonna use this as kind of a base for some of these blemishes and issues that I might have, just for extra added coverage without having to go super heavy with my main foundation or highlight shade. Okay, so that's done. Super quick and easy, nothing major. You can see I'm using the Best Blend Forever brush. This is our lightest application brush. So you know you're not gonna get too much product on. And now I can go in with my main foundation shade. This is my main foundation shade. And I can go in with this one and really just cover up all of this redness and go over those blemishes as well. Okay, so once I've got that on, you can also at this point, like if you find that there's areas that need a little bit of extra coverage, you can go back to the small end and really press in those areas that might need a little bit of extra coverage. So now you can see I still have dark circles under my eyes. I'm gonna use a different color for this. This color is called Sunlit, and this works really great at getting my dark circles. And again, make sure you're getting this area in here on your inner corner. If you have these bluish purple dark circles under your eyes, because that area there is darkened and you really want to brighten it. So I just kind of put the product there, drag it down like that, and then spread any excess under my eye. Again, I don't want too bright right directly under my eye. I have mature skin and that's not really a look I'm going for. So I can go in with my main highlight color there to kind of blend a little bit so that it's not super bright directly under my eye, which will accentuate if you have any fine lines and wrinkles in this area here. So avoid doing that if you have mature skin at all. Like avoid putting too light of a color. And again, you can see the difference between the two sides. And you can take the fluffy side of your brush and just blend all that out so it looks really natural. At this point, I like to go in with my damp perfector sponge. This is really important if you really want to make sure that you're not putting too much makeup on, especially under the eyes. If you are mature skin, you need one of these. You get it wet, you wring it out so it's just kind of damp, and then you just pat it in. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring. We're gonna keep it super soft and natural, so I'm gonna stick to this brush. I'm gonna go into my contour here, and we're gonna keep it just up here, a little bit of a contour. Being really gentle. I had a spot there, if you can remember, so I kind of want to avoid that area. I'll just kind of dab some color there, but I don't really want to mess with that because I covered it up. But you see how that kind of sculpted my face a little bit more, gave me a little bit more definition without being too overpowering. And then I'm gonna take the small end and I'm just gonna pinch it a little bit like this, go into the contour, and we're gonna just lightly, I'm barely touching my nose. So you can see how light of a line this is. Just barely gonna add any to my nose, just like that. And then we'll just feather that out. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is, since I'm keeping this really natural, I'm gonna take that same contour and I'm gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna do my cheek color. You always wanna do a cheek color, even if you're going natural, especially if you're going natural. It's natural to have a flush to your cheek. I'm gonna go with something really neutral and natural with Tropicana. So this is a beautiful gloss, peachy color, and it's just gonna give my cheeks a little bit of color. Just like that. So see how beautiful that is? It just added some color to my cheeks without looking overpowering or anything. And I look so much more natural and put together. And I can even take some of that color and add it to my lid. And this will just give my lid a little bit of color. And now I have a really neutral peachy shade on my lips. And now I'm gonna go into a cream illuminator. This one's called Dulce. This is my fave. I love this one so much. This is also limited edition, so you gotta grab it as much as you can now, because once it's gone, it's gone. I will put the link of the details in the description of this video. But you gotta grab this quick because it's gonna disappear. And it's my fave illuminator. That's cream. Like, look how beautiful that glow is that added to my cheek. So pretty. You could even take it up on your brow bone. And your corner. As well. So pretty. And now we're just gonna do my lashes. This is the old packaging of our setting spray, but we have new packaging that will be back in September. And so I'm just going to spray. You want to get a really good dose of coverage. This is going to make your makeup last all day long. And even water will just kind of run off your face. If you start to sweat, make sure you dab your face, you don't swipe, and you'll be good. So I'm just taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and I'm using this for my lashes. I use a lash serum from Hello Skincare, and it makes my lashes grow like in crazy amount. It's so good. It's vegan. It's amazing. I'll drop the link as well in this video so you can see, but it's such a good product. It's my favorite I've ever used. I'm getting such great volume and length. Like, I don't need falsies. Like, look how amazing this is. Like, that's just one coat of mascara. Like, so good. Like, crazy length. And then I am done. So that's a great no makeup look. Really simple and easy to do. I used one compact and a couple of brushes, and my mascara, and that's it. So really super and easy to do. If you want to be color matched, I'm a mascara artist. That's my job. I'm able to custom color match you so that you can pick out and have your own compact with your foundation colors that are going to make your skin look beautiful, and bring out your features. And so if you want to get hooked up with that, I will drop the link to my color match form below. Be sure to check it out. If you're interested in doing what I'm doing, book a chat with me. Let's discuss this. It's really simple and easy to do, and sharing stuff. If you love beauty at all, this is for you. If you are in the beauty world, whether you're an esthetician or a lash technician or a hairstylist or a makeup artist, these products you are going to want to use and try and offer it for clients. And it's just so easy to work into your business. If you are a stay-at-home mom and you're just wanting something extra money on the side, this is great for you. Like, obviously this is for all kinds of women, working women, stay-at-home women, whatever might name you. We have lawyers, we have nurses, we have accountants, we have all types that do this. And so if you're interested in seeing if it can fit into your life, if it's something that you're interested in, please reach out. I'll leave the link below for you to book an appointment with me, and let's chat. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.